Hey, how's it going? John from Branson Cerakote Laser here. We're going to do something a little bit different with our channel. We're going to try and do a daily upload, kind of a vlog to let everyone know just kind of a day-to-day operation, what everybody's working on. Just to give you a little more information about how a shop works on a daily basis versus specifically on a project or a specific tip. We'll still have those videos up, but we're going to try and upload hopefully every day, Monday through Friday. But at least 2 or 3 times a week, depending on how busy we are. So these will be just little 3 to 5 minute videos, just checking in with everybody here in the shop to see what they're working on. Right now, they're all going to pretty much be dealing with getting the shop up and going. But as we get going, everything's set up and we're actually physically working in here more. There'll be a lot more of projects that are coming in dealing with customer stuff. So hopefully this will be popular and you guys will be interested in watching these. Give us some feedback so we know what you know, if this is working or not, and we'll go from there. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Check us out at BransonCerakote.com for all your laser, stencil, and Cerakote needs. Have a great day.
So what are you doing today, Andrew?
Soundproofing this room. Putting up soundboards across this wall and the back wall and the wall you can't see behind you.
So what are you doing today, Zach?
Working on getting the manifolds done. What else do you want me to say?
Today I'm working on the manifolds and I'm going to be doing this, and that. And then we'll hook up the air system and everything will be magical with happy unicorns.
Yeah, well, alright, fine. Pause it and redo it then.
No, I can edit it out.
Alright, well, working on the manifolds and the air system, putting the air system together.
A little bit.
Well, I can do them.
Yeah, I noticed your mom took all the crap that was on her desk and threw it on mine.
Oh,
I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, are we recording? Oh.
So what are you doing today?
Sitting here looking pretty.
Restart.
What?
Oh.
And there's no need to restart. I am looking good. Okay. I'm sitting here working on our logo that's going to be on the front windows of the shop, and Bailey is going to take over. She's been sitting here learning how to do some of the finer details of Corel.
So what are you doing today?
So today I'm going to be cleaning up a file for Laura that she just sent over to finish up so we can get it on our windows out front. That is all. Thanks for coming by.
So what are you doing today?
I am working on ordering air hoses and fittings so we can get the sandblast cabinets up and running and the spray booths. So working on that right now. Making 500 trips to Lowe's and Home Depot to get things. Other than that, just really busy.